Hello everyone, this is Craisin Lord, thanks for the click, and today I will be showing you how to get custom models on your Minecraft server that not only you can see, all your friends will be able to see these, such as we got this incredible hot dog right here, we got this crossbow with that loading animation, the gun, we got a Santa hat, Scar's ginormous hat from Hermitcraft Season 8, and many more. You can add whatever you want using these custom models. Let's get straight into it. The first step in this process is to download the Custom Roleplay data pack. This data pack allows you to change the custom models, to add the models to their items without being in creative mode or having cheats on the server. This gives any player access to do so, and this will actually consume experience, and you can configure how much experience it consumes each time you run the command and use these custom models. Alright, let's download it right here. Where you put this data pack is actually in your world file, in your Minecraft world file, in the data packs folder. So let's go to my .minecraft, and then you go to your saves. So if this is on a server, you would put this in your world file. So let's say this was on a server and my world file was called CC4 Creative. And then I would go into the data packs folder and then just drag that in there. In the world file folder, in the data packs folder. That's where you put it. The next step in this process is to find the models you actually want to use in-game on your server. So let's say I want to sneak up on my friends in a creeper suit, because who wouldn't want to do that? Let's look up Hermitcraft creeper suit texture pack. I'm so good at spelling. Hermitcraft. Alright, so here it is. Here's the one I want to use. It's a creeper suit. Look at that. That's perfect. You wear it and you become a creeper. Absolutely perfect. So when you get to the page for your resource pack, you want to make sure that it does not say Optifine required. So I know this one should work because this person said needs Optifine or not. And then they were like, nah. So that's perfect. So this one will work with our custom models. Next, you'll want to download the tutorial pack that I have in the description. It'll come zipped. You'll want to unzip it. First, open it up. You'll see two things here. First, we got the pack.mc meta. This just has the pack format, which is for whatever game version you're on. And then the description, custom model tutorial pack by Craisin Lord. Change it to whatever you want, not a huge deal. You can also make a pack icon PNG if you want to change the pack icon here. All right, the real juicy part is in the assets folder. So it goes assets, Minecraft, and then you have models and you have textures. Okay, first we're gonna start in our models folder here. So then we want to go to the corresponding resource pack that we're trying to add. So the Hermitcraft creeper costume. So we're gonna go to assets, Minecraft models in here. So here we have item and block. So you want all of your models, 100% of them, to be in item folder. So we have block here, carved pumpkin. Now we have item in the tutorial pack, carved pumpkin and big hat. You don't want every single carved pumpkin to be a creeper costume, right? So what you want to do is copy this. Let's paste it to the desktop so we can rename it. There it went. So let's rename this to creeper costume. If I can spell that right. Okay, I still didn't spell it right. It's just custom. Okay, so we have creeper costume in here. And then we want to go to the carved pumpkin. So you see how it says overrides, predicate, custom model data 1, model, item, big hat. So this means if you use the code 1, when you do /trigger custom model data set 1, it will use the big hat texture. Now we want to add the creeper costume here. So what we do is copy this line, add a comma, enter, paste, and then we have custom model data 2, item, big hat. So let's change this to item creeper costume, because I'm really good at spelling, custom, and then let's change the code to 2. So now when we do trigger custom model data set 2, it should use the creeper costume model right here. Next, we want to go to the textures folder in both the resource pack and the tutorial pack here. So in the Hermitcraft custom costume, it's assets, Minecraft textures, creeper, entity, misc. So we want to go Minecraft textures. So we have misc here already. So I built in a texture that gets rid of the pumpkin blur entirely, because when you're wearing your custom hats, you don't want that gross pumpkin overlay to be blocking your view of everything. So I added that by default. If you want to keep the pumpkin blur, you can delete that. I wouldn't recommend doing it though. Okay, so you go to item in here. You want everything again to be an item. This is new in 1.19.4, I think, is where everything's an item. This is why my previous tutorial did not work. your textures were an item and that were not an item, and that's what broke it. So you want all of it to be an item. So in here, we want to copy creeper, put it into item. I don't think we need entity. Yep, that folder's empty in there. And Mitsk, this changes the pumpkin blur to a creeper face. I don't know if you can see that here. I don't want to change that. I want the transparent pumpkin blur. So we got creeper folder right here, and there's the creeper. So now we want to go back to assets, Minecraft, models in here, item, creeper costume. And we want to make sure that this says item, creeper, because this is the folder location and it's in the textures folder. So textures, and then where is it? It's in item, creeper, and then it's called creeper. So item, creeper. So let's change that to item, creeper, right there. Okay, and now that is our resource pack entirely made. That's it. That's all you have to do with the resource pack. So in order to zip it up and add it to your server, you want to select assets pack.mc meta, compress to zip file. So let's say creeper custom, because I'm still excellent at spelling. And then let's go and see if it worked in single player first. Okay, here we are in a Minecraft world with the custom roleplay data pack in our world save data packs folder. So what we want to do is get a carved pumpkin here. And, oh wait, I didn't add the resource pack. Let's actually add the resource pack. So we want to go to resource packs folder, open pack folder, and then we want to put our newly zipped creeper custom in there. Sweet. So now we can add a creeper custom. I want to get rid of these other ones so I don't conflict anything. All right, now that that pack is applied, let's trigger custom model data set to. Look at that! It's the creeper! That is so funny. I love that. I love it. And if you put it on, look at me, I'm a creeper. Wait. Oh, I need an invisibility potion. This is so cursed. This is so cursed. Let's go into free cam and look at that. Yeah, that okay, that's really funny. Let me show you how to get this insane resource pack on your server now. Alright, there are a few things you need to do to get it on your server. First thing you want to do is upload this resource pack to Dropbox. Now each time you add a custom model or change this resource pack, you would need to re-upload it to Dropbox. So if I can find the pack here. Alright, here it is, Creeper Custom. So let's upload that to our Dropbox right there. Perfect. And then we want to hit share, create and copy link. So if you don't have a Dropbox account, you would need this. So then you want to copy this link right here. Next, you want to go to your Minecraft server, go to File Manager or wherever you are. Wherever you access the server.properties, that's where you want to go. Actually, make sure you stop the server first. I did not do that. Okay, now that the server's stopped, let's go to the server properties, edit that sucker. So what we want to find is the resource pack. So I'm going to Control F, search for resource. So we want to change require resource pack to true. Oh yeah, and then we want to find just the resource pack file right there. So we want to share the Dropbox link. I lost link, so I'll get it again. There it is. And we want to paste that link in there. And then you want to make sure to change the number 0 at the end to 1. This is download. So you're saying DL equals 0 means don't download it. If you go in the link, just go to the Dropbox. But DL equals 1 means download it instantly. So that's what we want. We want it to download right away when we open that link. Next, you need the SHA file checksum. So this is a SHA file checksum checker. It's just a code that interprets the resource pack kind of on the server.properties. This will be linked in the description down below. So you want to find the resource pack. So here it is. Drop file here, and there is our checksum. So let's copy, and then we want to go back to the server properties. Then there's resource pack SHA1. And we want to paste that number there. This is the code that lets it interpret the resource pack. That should be all you need. So let's go to the server, start that up, and see if it works. Okay, this is working, I believe. So we got the carved pumpkin on our head. Yep, there's no pumpkin blur. That means it was working. My cat Fonzie is currently on my lap licking plastic. So sorry if you heard that. Let's see if this works. /trigger. I forgot to add the data pack. I think I did this last tutorial too. Oh gosh, I'll add the data pack We'll get that fixed. Okay, I've got the data pack in. Now for the big reveal. So let's do /trigger custom model data set 2. It requires at least 1 levels. Alright, let me show you in survival anyway. Yeah, I mentioned that the data pack requires levels. So let's go into survival and let's give myself a few levels of experience. Let's add 1 level. Sweet. So then we trigger custom model data set 2 again. It'll consume the level, giving us Mr. Creeper right here. Let's put it on. Look at that. We got the really cursed creeper suit. Perfection. Perfection. Alright, we did it. So that's all there is to it. That is going to do it for today's video. I hope that I helped you scare your friends in a creeper suit. If I accomplished that, that would be my life complete. This, I will never get over how completely cursed this looks. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, subscribe, hit the like button, check out my other content. I've got a cold craft series going. I've got a lot of stuff coming, a lot of stuff in the works. If you have any issues at all, you can leave a comment down here, or you can join my Discord. It'll be much easier for me to help you in my Discord, so I'll leave the link to my Discord down below. Let me know, even if you just want to say, hey, this video is helpful. Join my Discord. I would love to see your comments like that. So thank you all for watching. This is Craisin signing off. Goodbye.